Hi, my name is Adam. I'm from Westwood, Texas. One day, my son and I were driving northbound on a 2-lane road where the trailer unhinged from the pickup truck and entered my side of the road. Right after the accident, I started my insurance claim process, which took about 2 days to resolve, which I know without a dash cam and the recording would have taken weeks. Being in the insurance industry, I recommend a dash cam to all of my clients. As I was shopping for a dash cam, Nexar dash cam stood out the most. Some of the features that I really like about the camera are its ease to install it, also the camera quality in the daytime, especially at night. The camera itself will also take a picture and a small recording of the surroundings once you park your vehicle. One of the greatest features about it too is that I don't have to remember to turn it on. When I turn on my vehicle and I start driving, the camera's already recording. I can always follow up on the stream through my phone. If a picture speaks 1,000 words, a video recording can speak 1,000,000.